The 2024 Lexus RX 350 boasts a sleek and sophisticated exterior design that seamlessly blends elegance, presented by Bell Lexus, North Scottsdale. Its bold spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal, but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. With available 20-inch alloy wheels and a selection of premium paint colors, the RX 350 stands out as a true embodiment of luxury and style. Under the hood, the RX 350 is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The RX 350 offers a refined driving experience, balancing power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the available all-wheel drive system further enhances traction and stability, making it a versatile choice for various driving conditions. The back seats of the RX 350 are designed with passenger comfort in mind. The spacious rear cabin offers ample legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for adults and children alike. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, with available options for heated and ventilated rear seats. The 40-20-40 split-folding rear seats allow for flexible cargo and passenger configurations, making it easy to accommodate larger items while still providing comfortable seating. Inside the 2024 RX 350, luxury and craftsmanship take center stage. The cabin is meticulously designed with high-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and real wood or aluminum trim. The ergonomic layout ensures that all controls are easily accessible to the driver, while ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication. With available features like a panoramic moonroof and a power-adjustable steering wheel, the RX 350's interior is a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. The RX 350 is equipped with cutting-edge technology that enhances both convenience and entertainment. The centerpiece is a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. The system is user-friendly, offering quick access to your favorite apps and settings. Additionally, a premium sound system, wireless charging pad, and multiple USB ports ensure that you and your passengers stay connected and entertained throughout your journey. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Lexus RX 350, which comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite of advanced driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert further enhance your awareness on the road. With these features, the RX 350 not only provides peace of mind, but also actively helps prevent accidents. The RX 350 offers a host of convenience features designed to make every journey more enjoyable. Keyless entry and push-button start provide effortless access, while the hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. The vehicle also features a dual-zone automatic climate control system, ensuring that both driver and passengers remain comfortable in any weather. The available driver's seat memory function saves your preferred settings, adding a personalized touch to your driving experience. In conclusion, the 2024 Lexus RX 350 is a luxurious and versatile SUV that excels in every category. From its striking exterior design to its powerful performance, spacious interior, advanced technology, and comprehensive safety features, the RX 350 offers an exceptional driving experience. Whether you're seeking comfort, convenience, or cutting-edge innovation, this vehicle delivers it all with the hallmark quality and reliability that Lexus is known for. You can view our selection at bellexusnorthscottsdale.com or give us a call at 480-566-6788.